What up? This is your boy Snigger Nation, Nation of the Cause. You know, um, I'm grateful for everything that God has able to do for me. You know, that's what I wanna start from. Okay. Today I just wanna share this shit with you. You know what I mean? You feel me? So shout out to everybody who's been out here listening to this video. Um hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our page, Nation of the Gods, you know, because I'm lucky to represent the gods, you know. Yeah, crazy because today our topic is about energy and umoya ongcwele, you know, umandla enkosi, energy, mandla enkosi, usomandla, you know, and umoya ongcwele, pure consciousness, spirit. You know what I mean? So nje, I come across this thing, this feeling these days, this knowing ukuthi mina ngukwazi consciousness, mom, and it's always has been, you know, and it never been separated from me. And yeah, angikaze nje ngahlukaniseka nakho ukuphila kahle kahle. Mina ngiyimpilo ngokuphila ngiyi-experience, so I'm experiencing creation, which is my creation, because I've been there from ever since, from the Big Bang. Bengihlezi ngikhona mayethi umveli qanga makube ne-lights, akube nokukhanya, ngangikhona ngiyilokho ukukanya mina. So I'm not this body, actually. I'm not this body. I'm beyond this body, ngiyi-light. So ngiyilo moya, pure spirits, ngingalawo mandla angabonakali, ayidonsa wona, hlanganisa nomoya, kwavuka kwaphila kulo mzimba. You know what I mean? So it's crazy. Yeah, it will crack your mind, it will blow your mind if you can't understand information, creation, and universe, because I'm part of it. So yeah, sometimes we face a lot of things empilweni, and we and able to come across lezo zinto, or even think ukuthi God is against us. But today I just wanna say ukuthi uNkulunkulu umveliqala, umdali owadala izulu nomhlaba, isidalwa. Thina siyileso sidalwa, silowo mdali, because wena uyipart yaleyo nto, wena uyingxenye yaleyo nto kahle kahle, awuhlukanisiwe naleyo nto leyo. Wena ubuhlezi ukhona, ukuthi njengamanje wena uvuka kule generation, uba i-awareness, yabo, uba isixwayiso, ukuvuka komoya, uyikhumbula ukuthi ubani, yabo. So mina-ke sengiyayikhumbula ukuthi ngubani, ngi-creator. Just that ukuthi njengamanje ngiyayibona ukuthi ngumnini wamandla onke, ngi-creator, nga-create izulu nomhlaba, and mina ngihlukanisiwe ne-cosmic law, i-nature itself, i-universe. So mina ngikwazi ukwenza noma ngabe yini, ngikwazi ukuba noma ngabe yini. So these days nje I'm busy shaping my identity, you know, through all information, but I'm choosing to be this person that I am, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, I'm nobody, you know, and I'm everything that I am. I'm a totality of all that is, you know, at the same time. But at the same time, give pure consciousness, which is I'm nobody. I'm just an observer, you know, ngikhona nje ngiyabuka, ngiya-experimenta. So if ubhizi unyanya abanye abantu, inyanya wena, because lento inyanya kuloya muntu ikuwe ngaphakathi, ayikho kuloya muntu, wena oyiletha kuwe, when you've drawn that to your creation. You know what I mean? It's crazy. So yeah. Shout out to abantu abazazi ukuthi bongubani. So i-awareness ekhona manje, people are being awakened, abantu ba-enlighten, So ungasali mfethu, ungasali, be part of this creation, part of this experience. And it feels amazing, but before it feels amazing, life will throw you into hell. When I don't break, when you go hell, because you need alchemist. When you have to be able to change any situation if ever when. You know what I mean? No matter how hard your situation is, but at the end of the day, if you stay on your belief and be able to put the work, it requires a lot of shit, lot of work, bro. You need to meditate, you need to read nge-spirituality, izinto mina nje I've learned about izinto ey'ningi because mina ngiqhamuka from the dark, you know, from the dark. So I had to, my story was different because I had to learn in neuroplastics, understand mindset yami, ingqondo yami sebenza njani, esoteric, how my inner being is, hermetic, all those Kabbalians. I had to go across all those things, go through all those processes. As I then process, I had to learn quantum physics. I had to understand the universe as a whole, the small mechanics, quantum mechanics. So formation, universe formation, yes, I had to go through astronomy. You know, historicism. I had to go through isn't they name, bro? Isn't they name? Because I come from a different place. So reason why I'm saying I'm a trillionaire, and I will be a trillionaire in US dollars, because I'm a trillionaire project. I'm creating wealthy. I'm a civilization. I'm creating an empire. I'm a legacy. You know, so I'm part of this creation, leader, yes, nation. So I'm lucky to be part of this journey ukuthi ngilide like the gods and the queens and the goddess and the kings, you know what I mean? So yeah. So nje bafethu, we have to acknowledge ukuthi thina we're not just ordinary human being. We're beyond that. Thina see pure consciousness, thina see energy, see manifestation kamvela iqala, you know, light, which is light. Because everything it's light and electromagnetic, which is gravity. You know what I mean? Thina see, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy, you know what I mean? Information is part of our symmetries. So cogs, photons, electrons, protons, and particles. Yes, if you understand lezo zinto lezo, you will understand ukuthi wena ubani ovelaphi. Because on a deeper layer, not just on this surface where you see ordinary human being on a or brown skin or black skin, whatsoever you call it, but kukhulu okufihliwe okungale. So abantu nje I emphasize ukuthi abantu bezazi ukuthi bangubani, baqhamukaphi, yabo. Thina cause thina, mina nje especially mina ngumZulu, amaZulu they know themselves because they call them people from the sky, Zulus. Thina siqhamuka ezulwini, you know. We knew that a long time ago ukuthi singamaZulu, amanguni, sekuthiwa singabanguni. But before sibe ngamanguni, we come from a word that abangoni, because thina we pure consciousness, asona asikwenzi asisenze sona, asona si-pure, you know. Thina sembethwa amathonga, idalo, abantu abaclean abangangcolile. So that's why i-cleanser kumaZulu ibalulekile. Kufanele ugqume, uphalaze, uchathe, you know, ugeze ngey'washo, yonke leyo nto leyo ngemithi. AmaZulu ayithanda leyo nto leyo. So thina we believe ukuthi uma senza njalo-ke sihlanza wona lamandla lawo umoya, because lento it's like i-energy eflowayo kuwe-ke ingaphakathi, njengoba ushisa nje ngaphakathi, yabo. Uma uvuse inkundaleni energy yakho uyayifila le nto le. It's up and down, up and down. You can sense it, you can feel it, you know. And even mina njengamanje nje mangihleli ngiyayizwa energy yami ila kanje esikhumbeni sami ngaphandle la, you know what I mean, kanje la ngaphandle esikhumbeni kanje, yabo. Ngikuzwa ukushisa around me, which is i-electromagnetic yami, and it comes from within. Now within ngiyayizwa le energy, and le energy ke i-pure, iflasha everything that you know. Konke lokho ngasikho iyakukhipha. The more ivuka iyakukhipha ama-emotions, ama-thoughts akho, which is negative thoughts, i-anger, all the stuff, amagqubu, yabo, okungcolile ngawe nje iyakukhipha izinto ey'negative. Then yona ifuna ukuba pure, then wena mase ushape ingqondo yakho to i-identity. But people who, mina nje especially mina ngizokutshela abanye abantu abafundisa abantu nge-spiritual awakening, abakutshela be aware, because wena lento izokuseparate, izokwenza ukuthi ucabange beyond your limitation, like human limitation, because when usu-out of matrix, wena you're not an ordinary. So wena uzobona ezinye izinto abangayibona. If ukhuluma nabo kuzoba ngathi uyahlanya, nawe uzocabanga. Sometimes uzokhuluma wedwa, uzocabanga izinto ezi-beyond. Wena usekho limited, umqondo wakho awusagcini, usu-unlimited. So wena gcina ngathi usuyahlanya, ufeela that way at some point, ubone ezinye izinto, because the more when ufunda ngalento, the more ukhula, the more ingqondo yakho ishintsha, ungena kwenye dimension, uphuma kwi-matrix, ubona ngenye indlela. It's like you're going mad, bro. And it's really, really hard when you face that I think abanye abantu, they will even go to ey'bhedlela becansi bahlanye, abanye they commit suicide because of that, because it's not easy, you know, because lento ikutshela iba kabili. Khona ukutshela ukuthi yenza ukuthi, khona ukutshela ukuthi yenza ukuthi, khona ukutshela ukuthi ibulale, khona ukutshela ukuthi, yabo, because lo munye uyi-old identity yakho, lo munye it's your new identity. Lo i-old identity yena ufuna ukuhlala kulokho okufamile kuyena, lokho akakujwayele. Lo i-new identity yena uyayibona potential yakho ukuthi no, mina I'm not this, mina I can be something beyond this limitation. So wena i-condition yakho wanna stay like that forever, and the new self wanna change, you know what I mean? So when you become separated from your own, you know what I mean? Like ngizothi ngikwenzele example, if uba awaken, uba ne-spoke sakho lesi singamathambo, uba nenyama, lo mzimba oyinyama, uba nomoya, lo mzimba owumoya lo uphuma emaphushweni. Ngizokutshela ngale mzimba yo-3. I-spoke sakho, which is i-spoke sakho siyilento le, what you call this, i-astral body yakho. I-astral body yakho lo moya lo ophila kuwo, uvuka emaphusheni, yabo, your spiritual body, astral body yakho le, yabo. Then this physical body lo present kuyo kubantu, you know. Then mase kuba i-system yakho, i-system yakho, which is i-spoke sakho, lemthambo, imsipha, amathambo, isikali sakho lesi singaphakathi, you know, your nervous system. Yes, it's a nervous system, i-nervous system yakho. So when you're being separated, so yonke lento le isuke, if une-chaos, if wena ukwi-lower vibration, isuke ihlukene lento. So lento mase uyibuyisela, isi-aware, yabo, i-skin sakho, i-nervous system yakho, i-astral body yakho, lezi zinto ziyaphikisana, because okunye they believe enye into, okunye believe enye into, okunye believe enye into. So gcina sekune impilo yakho kade ine-chaos, now uba chaotic, uba vibration, uvibrate kanje. So kuba ne-pain lapho, kuba ne-misunderstanding, yabo. Sometimes ungaya ngisho esibhedlela ufeel i-pain la ngaphakathi, uzokushisa konke la, unga-understand. Ube ney'londa lezi bathi ube nayo ney'nhlungu, ama-kidney, yes, ube nesifo sashukela, i-BP. Because phela wena you've been creating lezi zifo ngale micabango yakho, alama feelings akho, wena yonke leyo nto ihlala emzimbeni wakho. Kahle kahle wena usiya yonke lento le, yabo. Wena, you're not your body, you're not your feelings, you're not your emotions, you're not your thoughts. Wena you are a pure consciousness. But wena lezi zinto lezi, wena mawucasukela omunye umuntu, awucasukelwa umuntu, uyicasukele wena, because lento uyibopha la kuwe, ayikho kulowa muntu, yena lowa muntu akayizwa, izwa wuwe. Mawuthanda omunye umuntu uthanda wena, na awuthanda omunye umuntu, yonke lento uyibopha la. So lonke lento lihlala emzimbeni wakho, lihlala emicabangweni yakho, emizweni yakho. So uma usuguqunga le pain le, luthando, lezi zinto lezi zi-frustrate wena, zishintsha kuwe. So sometimes you become crazy, sometimes you become mad, ngesinye isikhathi you feel sick and you're becoming sick. Ungaya kudokotela, there's no help angangakuthola khona, uzolokhu ekutshathwe unoshukela ne-BP, ekunika i-medication, ngeke uze usinde until this process goes. Idinga ukuthi uyibhalansise, sekuyi-energy engabhalansile, idinga ukuthi uyibhalansise, ube harmony with your alignment, i-alignment yakho kahle kahle. So there's a lot futhi singayisho, but nje that was I was trying to say kubantu ukuthi they must try to tap into their soul, to their spirit, to their awaken and be able to understand ukuthi bona bangobani, siphumaphi, singobani. Yeah, mfethu, this is your boy Snake Nation. I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that like button, and ufake lapho comment any question oyithanda, any topic we wanna share with me, or mina ufuna ngikutshele ngayo, because I know a lot of things, but to be able to know a lot of things, but I know ukuthi I don't know most of the things. So uzombuza, sometimes I will give you the answer late, because usonginika i-task ukuthi I must go and do my research, homework yami. Shout outs.